Alright, let's fucking go. 834, BFJ 134. In the system index, we have WEBPURL. That stands for Web PNG URLs. This is going to be a list of PNG files we want to batch process. Then within systems whatever, we have this thing called BATKLAY, which is a batch processor that is going to take lists of graphics from WEBPURL and turn them into mip-mapped graphics in the K layout format. Within const macros by system, we have the constants for WEBPURL here. There's nothing here yet. And we have the constants for BATKLAY right here. Nothing here yet. Within data by system, we have the mutable data for WEBPURL. Nothing here yet. And we have the mutable data for BATKLAY. Nothing here yet. We're just stubbing it in. Down here is the function section for WEBPURL. I don't think any functions should actually be here, but maybe getters. Maybe getters. But besides that, it should be a data-only system. Within the BATKLAY function section, beneath Pigtile right here, it has two aliases. So informally, we can think of BATKLAY as Megapug and Megahen. And these are clues as to the type of graphics that I'm actually going to process with BATKLAY, the batch processor for K layout. We have a little footnote here that you can read if you want to pause and read that, but I don't have time to do it here. And then down here is what we did previously, and then we have our footnotes and stuff. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You're on the advanced playlist here. Tech demos, source code, ways to get a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. It uses GoldenEye-style proximity mines that explode vertically, horizontally, and four-way, and they chain react. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine from scratch, or if you just want to see where this is going to go over time.